Hey guys, how's it going? How to find your address on Google Maps. So basically, after you allow the Google Maps or allow the location for Google Maps by going to the settings and then try to look for Google Maps, go to the location, make sure that you allow the Google Maps to have access to your location. Next, next automatically you're gonna see your home-based location right here. You're gonna be able to see it, and as you can see, I'm moving my phone, and basically the blue dot is moving with me. So this is my actual home location. I can just click on my location right here, and you're gonna see the home address. You're gonna see the zip code and the area and the city. So you're gonna see it right here. So if I click to share my location, this information will be available here. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.